Tactical teams in real-world situations need all the eyes they can get, keeping maximum focus on their surroundings.
Be advised, vehicle approaching.
Casper, scan ahead.
Casper scanning. Terrain ahead, clear.
They need to move fast and safely in complex areas.
Scan heading 180, 250 meters.
Casper scanning. Terrain ahead, clear. You're clear to advance to the next landmark.
Casper, designate the building ahead.
Casper designated. Be advised, hostile contact, 200 meters. Alternative navigation route created.
They need to detect first, finding the unseen threats, using superior vision and area dominance.
Casper, perimeter defense.
Defense initialized.
Use aerial eyes to increase situational awareness in defensive positions.
Casper, panoramic view.
Complete hands-free operation to bring our soldiers home safely.
Casper, good job, buddy. Come home.
Ghost Soldier by Third Eye, featuring all the brain and analytics on board the camera, voice control and voice response, for effortless, hands-free autonomous operation, reducing soldiers' cognitive stress and improving situational awareness.